This is Shur on Tefillah. We got to Tachanun. We're almost toward the end of the Tachanun. And we say one of the last things that we say in the Tachanun on Monday and Thursday, we say, who remove from us the plague of death, because you are compassionate, Hashem. Because that's your way to do. Chesed chinam, kindness for nothing, for every generation. You do kindness chinam. That's very important to understand that you don't deserve it. Whatever that you do is chesed chinam. That's very important. A lot of times we come from HaKadosh Baruch Hu with demand, with deserving it. In other words, the more you feel you deserve, you don't deserve it. The more you feel you're undeserved, then you deserve it more. That's the way that works like HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We are asking Hashem, chesed chinam, your kindness for nothing, for every generation. Now, the highlight of the Tachanun, we say, Allah Hashem Hoshiana. Please, Hashem, save us. Now, Allah Hashem Hatzlicham. Please, Hashem, bring success to us now. Therefore, we need salvation from the troubles, from tragedies, from things that happens around us. We ask Allah, please save us. And then, in future, we need success. We need bring us success. Whatever that we do should be successful. On that, we say Hatzlicham. It's interesting that in Tachanun, we are coming to HaKadosh Baruch Hu to tell Hashem something. Hashem, you are the source of my salvation. And Hashem, you are the source of my success. There was a story being told by a very rich man that one day he made such a great money, he made such a great business, he made so much money, and he went to his friend that he was a friend from childhood. He said that, always I told you, I'm such a good businessman. I told you from the beginning, I made such a great business today. In one day, I made so much money. He was happy and talking about himself. And he says, my mind is a mind of business. You can't understand how smart I am in the business, how well I did. A few months later, he comes to his friend, and friend sees that he has a front face, he's very sad. He said, what happened? I was sad. Hashem didn't want it. What happened? What? Hashem didn't want it. What could I tell you? What? He pushes him. What happened? He says, okay, today I lost so much money, and Hashem made me to lose. Interesting. When he had Hatzlacha and success, he attributed that to himself. I did. When something happened to him that wasn't good, he lost money, then it's Hashem won. Now, this is the tendency of people. Usually people say, there is salvation to come to our God. I say Mashiach would come. If somebody comes to Shul and asks, Rabbi, I got so much Hatzlacha today. Which Tehillim should I say? How should I thank our God? Always, when we need salvation, we go to our God. But success, we tiaches it, we attribute it to ourselves. Now, in the end of the Tachanun, it said, Ana Hashem Oshiana, the same token that we ask our Baruch Hu for salvation, in the same tune, we have to be understanding and acknowledging that all of our success from our Baruch Hu. Anything that we have is from Hashem. And that's a very important point in life. And that's the highlight of the Tachanun that we finish Hashem. We finish and we say, Hashem, you are the source of salvation and you are the source of our success in life.